My sis got brown hands and they been spreading every day. Been trying to read my Bible, but I've been really losing faith. My mama caught me crying so many things up on her plate. My biggest problem is I can't see joy face to face anymore. I don't know how to feel. You was like my daddy, though my father wasn't here. Her devil want my soul, I told that boy to be for real. Just give it all to you because I know that Jesus here. But I have been losing strength on this lonely road. While you get your hardest battles to the strongest soldiers. My heart freezing and I feel that it's getting colder. I find temptation over and over and over. The devil tempting, I feel it getting over. My family hurting and I've been getting older. But I'm the one that's supposed to bring them closure. Lord, forgive me for my sin in my past. Been hiding all my feelings, so I've been switching on my mask. Tell my late night reminiscing, got me really feeling sad. I be there for my future kids, cause I ain't ever died. Nobody teach me the right way when I was doing wrong. I thought it was just human just to do it on my own. But all that ever left me was me feeling alone. But all the ways I feel, I put it in a song, let me your God.
Whenever you call my name,
Whenever you call my name. I'm tired of all this sinning and just living by my ways. My sins at the altar, then I go and give you praise. I know that task is hard and it's gonna be hard for me to change. But you know that I'm not perfect, I'ma take it day by day. This a cry out for help, Lord. I hope you hear me. A lot of people, they just listen, Lord, but they don't feel me. All the pain that it took to get right where I'm at and though I'm way overlooked, I understand that it's the remedy, so